Welcome to Mora FC. I will appreciate your time being here. To cut a perfect sleeve, you need this measurement. It's very important to get this measurement. You talk to your client, how fitted, how big the client wants the sleeve to be. So you need to take note of this measurement for a perfect sleeve cutting. I'm going to leave a link below in the description below on how to measure a perfect sleeve. So I folded the fabric into two. Sometimes to know your armhole, you have to divide your shoulder into two. Then you use half of it as your armhole measurement. So I folded the fabric into two. I measured the full length of the sleeve. Which is 25. Then I'm going to deduct the measurement of the calf that I want it to be. Then I deducted the calf from it. The calf is up to you how big, how small you want the calf to be, like 2 inches. Or 3 inches, 2.5 inches, 4 inches. It's up to how you want the sleeve calf to be. So I measure the full length of it. Then I deducted the calf from it. Then I'll add my sewing allowance to it. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think. It's Mora FC, it is what it is. I'm going to leave a description below on how to sew a sleeve calf and how to measure a perfect sleeve. So go check out how to measure a perfect long sleeve and how to sew a sleeve calf. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. So I measure here 3 inches. You can make it 3.5 inches. Some people make it 4. And I measure here 3 inches. And I divided it here into 2. I'll go by that point 1/2 inch. I measure this part 2.5 just to help you to make your curve. So you need to insert the measurement that you measure. You divide it into 2. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think. It is what it is. So I'm adding my sewing allowance to it. Yeah, 1.5. Just have to draw your curve. Like I said, I'm going to leave a description below on how to measure a perfect sleeve. You can check the video out and how to sew a sleeve calf. I'll leave the link in the description box below, so go check it out. So this is the easier way of cutting a sleeve, a long sleeve. I'm going over again. When you measure your long sleeve, deduct your sleeve calf from it, and you have to add the sewing allowance to it. Make sure you trim it very nicely. So this is the calf, the sleeve calf. When I fold it like this, because I want my calf to be 3 inches, when I fold it like this, I fold it 3.5 inches. so that I'll get it 3 inches. But when I cut it into 2, then I have to measure 4 inches. But when I do it like this, I measure 3.5 inches. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Give me a thumbs up. When I make it 3.5 inches, that means the sewing allowance will be half an inch, so it will leave 3 inches. But when I divide it in 2, I'll make it 4 inches. That means the sewing allowance will be 1 inch and the cuff will be 3 inches. Like I said, the cuff you can make it 2 inches, you can make it 2.5 inches, you can make it 3 inches, you can make it 3.5 inches, you can make it 4 inches. Some people can make it 8 inches and they fold it into 2. Yeah, I know it's kind of complicated, 8 inches and fold it into 2. Yeah, it's just as simple. But don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend about more IFC. It is what it is. Keep on doing whatever you're doing. Keep on hustling hard. Keep on fighting for your dream. So we are almost done cutting it. So I'm going to put the right side and the right side together so that I'll trim and have an inch on half side of the sleeve. But hey, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, tell me what you think. It's more IFC. It is what it is. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Share my work. There are other people out there who want to learn how to sew. So I'm starting off from the basis, which is very important. The basis, the basis of it is very important. You can see how beautiful it has turned out to be. Thank you for watching.